the media and our guests that are here today, I'd like to thank all of you for coming. You're helping us celebrate a big announcement that is a major accomplishment. I'd like to thank Gary Isom, the Executive Director of the Arkansas Real Estate Commission, for loaning us the facility here to have this press conference. Today, the Arkansas Geographic Information Office is pleased to announce the completion of the Arkansas Road Centerline file. We're celebrating this achievement because of what it represents. A partnership between local and state government, nonprofit and private sectors to create a seamless roadmap of Arkansas. Now, this project began in 2002 with the idea that we could coordinate with county E911 addressing authorities to assemble their E911 road file into a single statewide map that can be shared and used by everyone. This information is more than just a map. It includes the road name, address range, city, state, and zip code, which enables users to locate things by an address. The idea was that for daily use, planning, emergency events, that state and local authorities could operate off of the same map. We needed it to be statewide and seamless because everybody knows that school districts, utilities, and disasters cross county lines. 8 years ago, when this project started, not every county in Arkansas had E911. We worked with local officials in those counties to go through the mapping and the naming process to get their maps completed. And this last year, Newton County, which is the last county needed to complete the statewide map, began the project. And today we can say their map is complete. And I'd like to acknowledge Sheila McCutcheon, the assessor from Newton County, who spearheaded and helped to lead this effort along with Judge Griffith in Newton County. And it took bold leadership to make that move. Now, this project is unique because the maps are created and maintained at the local level. They're shared with the state where they can be stitched together to create the statewide file for public use. Arkansas is among a small list of first states to reach this level of coordination on mapping like this. Now, this is significant because each week in Arkansas, new roads are built, roads are realigned, or even sometimes the name is changed. Counties are able to send their digital file to the Geographic Information Office where they're incorporated into the statewide database. This database is used every day by the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, Department of Environmental Quality, Natural Resource Commission, the Forestry Commission, Department of Arkansas Heritage, Health Department, and many, many more who carry out their work serving the state. The information is also shared with federal agencies such as the U.S. Geological Survey, the U.S. Census Bureau, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. And then finally, it is shared with internet mapping organizations like Google, Microsoft, NAVTAC, and TeleAtlas, whose applications power maps on internet search engines that are used across the world. A few of the people that helped make this possible are here with us today, and we'd like to thank them. First, we'd like to thank the members of the General Assembly, former Governor Beebe, and of course, former Governor Huckabee, and of course, current Governor Beebe. Don't slip the tongue there. Each of them provided resources to enable our agency to carry out this coordination and make it possible. I'd also like to thank current and former members of the State Geographic Information Systems Board who provided leadership and vision to help us through this project. We would like to give special thanks to the Arkansas Highway and Transportation Department mapping section, who early in the project provided data to some of the counties, and also the Arkansas One Call System, who did the same. We'd like to acknowledge Secretary of State Charlie Daniels. who also understood how important this data could be for voter election administration, voter registration, and redistricting. And we'd like to thank him for his support and encouragement. Now, this resource took 8 years to assemble. It contains over 420,000 unique roads or road records. And when you output the file to certain formats, it takes up nearly a terabyte of disk space. The county judges, sheriffs, E911 coordinators, and emergency managers, job well done. You played a critical role in building a resource that benefits every Arkansan. The thing all Arkansans should be proud of is that this was a case where everyone worked together, from Benton County to Chico County, Miller County to Mississippi County, and everywhere in between. All of the counties participated in this. And some did so without much incentive other than it was the right thing to do. Now we've got a map that's common across all of Arkansas and can be shared. The next time our state needs to respond to a tornado or an ice storm, we can all operate off the same map. And to illustrate the diversity of this resource, we've got with us here today the Deputy Public Information Officer, Renee Pressler from the Arkansas Department of Emergency Management, Christine Crawford from the Arkansas One Call System, Bill Goff is the Assistant Education Commissioner at the Department of Education, and then finally County Judge Jimmy Hart from Conway County, who is also the President of the County Judges Association. Now, each of them are going to speak briefly, and then concluding that, we'll have an opportunity for interviews and questions from the panel, and after that we'll wrap up. We have some interactive presentations over here, and my staff will be manning that. And so if there are additional questions about the unique aspects of the database, we'll invite you to ask questions of them. So with that, Renee.